Greetings, M squared here. Today we are going to solve a literal equation. This one just has two variables, and we are going to solve for m. So the key is I need to get m alone. If it says solve for n, I'd get n alone, but it says solve for m, so I'm getting m alone. Sometimes what I do is I circle it or underline it so I can see that. Well, here's my equal sign. I need to get it alone on one side. So really, I just need to get rid of that coefficient of 5. I get rid of it by dividing, because 5 times m, the opposite of multiplying, is dividing. So I'm going to divide 5 by 5 on that side, but whatever I do to the left side, I have to do the right side. So I come over here and divide by 5 too. But there's nothing that 5 doesn't go into 2 and 5 doesn't go into 3, so I actually just write down my answer like this. And that's my answer. All done. All right. Next, I'm trying to solve for m again. On your worksheet, they're all solved for m. So I see the m right here. I see that 6 is being multiplied by it, and 15 is being subtracted from it. I always want to move something that's being added or subtracted before I start dividing. Otherwise it just gets messy, because I could divide by 6, but then I'd get 7/6 m n and 15/6 over here, and then I'd have to add 15/6, and it gets kind of messy. So I'm going to add 15 to both sides first, just because it's a neater way to do it. Not because it's wrong to divide by 6, it's just a little messy. So that cancels out, that's why I did it. So now I have 7n plus 15 equals 6m. I'm still trying to get the m alone, so I need to get rid of that 6. I ask myself, how do I get rid of a times 6 or multiplied by 6? I divide by 6. And so that cancels out, and I get m equals 7n plus 15 over 6. One last problem. I'm going to solve for m again, so here's my m. I need to get rid of this first. It's a negative 3n. To get rid of a negative 3n, I would add 3n, because it's the opposite of this minus sign. So that's going to get me a 0. But whatever I do to the left side, I've got to do to the right side. So I'm going to 0 that out. 5m is going to equal 3n plus 12. Now it wouldn't matter if you said 12 plus 3n or 3n plus 12. They're both the same. m's not alone yet. I've got to get rid of that 5. It's being multiplied, so I divide both sides by 5. And I get m equals this guy right here, 3n plus 12 over 5. Hopefully that helps. Good luck. M squared signing out.